What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and I got something for you all. I'm very excited to bring this to you. Behind me are two rear-wheel drive Tesla. We have the Cybertruck Rear-Wheel Drive, and we have the all-new Model 3 Standard Rear-Wheel Drive. But in this video, we're gonna be checking out the Cybertruck Rear-Wheel Drive. I finally found it in person because Tesla has recently canceled it. So we're gonna go and check it out. So the first thing you're gonna notice is the wheels. So the wheels is one of the dead giveaways of how you can tell that this is a rear-wheel drive Cybertruck. The next thing you're gonna be you could tell is there's no tonneau cover on this Cybertruck because it's cloth, and you would have to pay, I believe, $750. Here, all you see is the tailgate open and no buttons to close or open the tonneau because it's not powered. There you go. So everything else is fairly similar. You do not get outlets here. No outlets. No L-track rails. And I wonder if that's really how it looks like underneath those L-tracks, the light. But yeah, check that out. We're gonna go ahead and go inside this because it's cloth, or at least majority of the seats is cloth right there. So what that means is no ventilated seats. Everything else seems to be the same. Is there LED here? It looks like there is. Yes, there are LED interior lights. You do have the glass roof. Let's go and see how these seats feel. The seats are a little bit more firm than the dual motor and the Cyberbeast. A little bit more firm. I'm not gonna say it's uncomfortable. It is different. But yeah. So these don't have the ride height adjustments. You do have comfort, sport, and custom in the drive mode. You do have roof power feed, frunk power feed. There are no outlets in the front, but you can gain access to the power from the frunk. Let's see the glove box. Glove box is the same. There is less towing capacity on this. Ooh, 80% state of charge. You do have FSD available for this truck and traffic aware cruise control. Everything else seems to be the same. I wonder, I don't believe there is an off-road setting on here. Yeah, off-road is not on here. I tried to search for it. So this is really a basic, more basic truck, less capable truck, but you do get a lower price point. All right. Let's check out the rear. So check out the rear, no rear screen. That's kind of weird. Looks weird to me. But yeah, check out these seats. Mostly cloth. The sides and are still the vegan leather. The center seat is vegan leather. Huh. No cup holders. Usually you could fold this down. All right, windshield still looks the same, wipers the same. Let's open the frunk. Frunk is the same. Now inside this box are the caps. So these caps to cover the nuts go right there. Oh, let's see if I could put this in with one hand. I won't push it in all the way, but there you go. Now these have Goodyear tires on them. I thought they switched over to Pirellis for the all seasons, but this one in particular still comes with the Goodyear Wranglers Territory HT, not RT, 285/70 18s. But yes, Cybertruck Rear-Wheel Drive. They are still delivering them for existing orders, but you could no longer get these. All right, well, that is a quick look at the Cybertruck Rear-Wheel Drive. Let me know what you think. Would you still order one if you could? I think the price is still a little bit too high for the things that they have removed. I have done a video about that. If you haven't checked that one out, please go check it out. I would say $50,000 for this is like a sweet spot price. And I mean, it looks nice. The seats aren't too bad. The rear screen missing is a bit weird though. It looks weird, but not too bad. So I'm glad I ran into it. I was able to check it out, bring it to you. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.